Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Now, again, some games for us. Can you see one? The top is two, jiska two missing hai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you all in your scribble pads write down which is the most typical according to you and which is the most atypical according to you? So this is actually, let me tell you, this is not a classroom exercise. This was an actual live industry project that was given to the department. And while it was being designed, since I was also researching at the same time, I barged into it. And also since Professor Chakravarti is ever inquisitive and keeps on adding more and more, methods of evaluating and, telling the clients that how academically one can actually evaluate and even relate to the mass perception of the masses. So I hope everybody have put on typical to atypical for 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, and also the second question, which is, which one would you write? Which one would you like to write out of all these? First was a perception question. Second is a like, आप सड़क पे जा रहे हैं, आप यूजर हैं, आप इनमें से किस में बैठेंगे?
और चारों आपके पास अवेलेबल है ना, आगे खड़े हैं चार.
सेम है, किराया सेम है, इसलिए आप वो मत सोचिए.
Yeah.
Probably fourth one for me.
Nice, Mr. Singh.
Even fourth one for me.
Fourth one. Could you tell me just in a sentence or two why?
That stands out actually. Yeah, that stands out.
It stands out. It's looking futuristic and cool and thoda hatke to dikh hi raha hai. Very nice. So this is how we like to, I would like to be coming out of it when I'm landing at a friend's place or going for a lecture or something or whatever. It's just nice. Probably the ride would be different too. Do you think that, Mr. Atul? Do you think the ride would be a little, interiors भी शायद अलग होंगे थोड़े से, लग रहा है क्या?
Probably.
There's hope.
Interior इसको देख कर तो नहीं लग रहा है, but I'm not sure about the feeling क्या होगा, but yeah, the perception which we will receive from other onlookers, probably that will be changed.
It will be exciting to ride it, right?
Yes.
So okay, so I hope you have all your responses written. Nobody is to escape that. Okay, so now we will keep on looking at our responses, but I will also take you parallelly through my experimentation. In my experimentation, I took 3 major variables. One was definitely मेरा stimulus कि 4 तरह के ऑटो रिक्शा के डिजाइन थे और एक बार मैंने उनको दिखाया फ्री व्यू, अपने आप से देखिए एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक. दूसरे में मैंने एक सवाल पूछ लिया कि क्या आपको ये लगता है? I will tell you which question was that. So I got 2 conditions of viewing and then I showed it to 4 kinds of category of people. Who were they? Automobile designers, 5 of them. Senior, very experienced, 20 plus year experience, automobile designers. I showed them. So they were the experts of the field. Also the expert of the field were product designers. Then 2 kinds of categories of users, auto rickshaw drivers and the passengers, who are both actually the primary users, right? And through this triangle of my 3 variables, I tried to find out what is the visual response to this particular object. So can you all see? This is my scale that I found out from 34 volunteers through card sorting. So who Whose scale matches this scale from typical to atypical? 1, 2, 3, 4. So actually they were numbered as that.
Yeah, mine too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that means, that proves another thing, that there is a marked difference between where they can be placed.
Yeah.
So the most atypical one is visually really atypical. It is not a very confusively atypical, a very chiseled atypical one. And the typical one, all of us know, it is the existing auto rickshaw that is running on the roads for the past 30 years. So actually these other designs were created, and can you imagine, only the chassis, the mudguard, only the front part was changed, not even the windscreen as the design challenge. The rear is all the same, the windscreen is the same, only the front part was changed. And the one major change was made was that the mudguard light was actually shifted as the two lights along with indicators. Can you see? This is the aspect that has come from cars. Can you see that? Okay. So, so all of us quite matched what a typical and atypical is. Now, can we also see, could we also say कि अब I will do the same thing now, that I will see whether maximum attention किसको मिलता है इसमें, visual attention किसको मिलता है. आपको क्या लगता है? जो हमारा previous एक मंत्र हमें मिला था कि सबसे ज्यादा atypical को सबसे ज्यादा attention मिला था. Do you think that will be true here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So actually, they were quite close. I'm just trying to show you that through experimentation, when I actually did the card sorting, they kind of placed 3 and 4 as the most atypical. So they were kind of brothers here. So I will tell you how I did the experimentation. A very quick this thing from here, because actually it is not so much about the research procedure, but understanding the form aesthetic. But since you are all going to deal with such projects, so I also want to give you all an idea of how such a thing is conceived, the experiment is conducted. So there is a first calibration screen that comes up that actually calibrates you with the machine, your eyesight. And then there's a gray screen which neutralizes my vision. Then one option, then gray screen, then one option, then gray screen. So I have to give that gray screen. Why do you think that is so? Because I carry previous visual perceptions, right? For a bit in our minds and in our eyes. So you have to neutralize it first so that we are not biased and we look at the next image in a very unbiased way. Okay. And then I ask a question and then I rerun all the 4. The question is, I'll just come back to that. I asked 3 questions. So I will see which one did I choose for this presentation over here. And so can you see the order in the top? There is a person. So this is the order that I took. So let's come to this. So I looked at average fixation duration in the sense कि generally सारी fixations जो हैं उनमें कितना time लगाया गया. So I'll just brush past this saccade latency. They say the latent saccade is, that means the more intentional the fixation is. I will just quickly explain to you what this means. So if all of us are standing in a circle and Mr. Atul throws a ball, if he just throws it randomly, he will just quickly throw it. But if he is aiming at Harish, he will first see where Harish is. He will take a moment back to aim it at Harish and then he would throw. So that is his latency. Latent to create a decision in your head. So when a saccade is latent, that means a fixation के पहले थोड़ा time spent किया है. That means वो fixation intended थी. Random नहीं गई थी. उसको object ने नहीं बुलाया था, वो मेरी तरफ से गई थी. Okay, so there is another very small, minute way of analyzing, but I want to give you these terminologies so that you can also look at it up and learn more about it. And then I looked at visual strategies. So there are 2 or 3 kind of visual strategies that we first grouped, and we saw that how many people use what kind of strategy. Creating a gist, एक्सप्लोरिंग मोर, छोटे 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 दाने बहुत सारे स्प्रेड हैं, या बड़े बड़े और 2 ही 4? व्हाट डज इट से? बड़े बड़े और 2 ही 4 का एक और मतलब भी हो सकता है कि ये जो पर्सन है ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहा है, थोड़ी ज्यादा देर तक देखकर he is trying to process information, making sense of what they are seeing. So these are the visual strategies that then I also looked at time. I split the time into 2 halves and saw how people look. So can you see? So in eye tracking, you can also create areas of interest first. So मैंने सोचा कि ये पूरा मुझे eye tracking का जो blueprint मिल रहा है, मुझे section wise चाहिए कि windscreen पे कितना fixations हुआ, chassis पे कितना fixation हुआ, mudguard पे कितना गया और headlights पे कितना गया. तो मैंने उसको previously mark कर दिया मेरे experiment पे. So when I got the data depending on किसने distribution of areas of interest. Okay, so one of my areas of interest, can you see that on screen, is windscreen. हालांकि windscreen अपने आप में form नहीं है, you can see through it. Still windscreen को लोग to make sense of the chassis जरूर evaluate करते हैं visually. The second part is the cowl or the chassis. So now this is the main part because it has 3 or 4 components, smaller components inside it. Some has the indicator attached to it, some has the indicator separate, some has a very pointed, linear, sharp features given to the headlight, which is the most atypical one, and some very rounded, and one has even, the second one, added component of nose. Do you think at all it was needed? No, but it kind of stays true to the typical form. You have to see that that is just a form element that is added to it. So can you see the difference in headlights? And I have also induced the additional component. Can you see on the 4th one, there's a very sharp highlight made because the cowl has a very nice angle that goes into sharpness of the headlight. Can you see that? That sharp headlight, the sharp highlight of the cowl.
Yes.
Third one has like a non-smiley face. The futuristic one, that most atypical one, has the smiley kind of a face. And the second one has a nose element. The first one has actually the logo space. Bajaj के logo का वो एक छोटा सा space है जो nose space में लगा हुआ है in the existing auto. So they all actually become components to retain or to repel visual attention. Okay. And we also see that mudguards have a change. So first in experimentation, I have to identify the change and then I have to see the response given to it. So this is my way of identifying what is the difference, where are the highlights, what is the shape, and then I compare the response given to it. So these are some of the results. So few of the results I will just brush by because this is a very detailed presentation. But over here, you can see that it is a division. So the red one is the windscreen, W. Can you quickly see? Despite windscreen is same in all, and actually it is a transparent entity, it still get around 17 to 20% in all sections, whether it was product designers, automobile designers, or whoever.
Make sense of the product. No? To make sense of the product, we see that, that's very nice. Yeah.
Yes, because we see it in association of the cowl. We see that, what is the spacing. So, and we see that the first one is the cowl, which is the blue one, and how much attention is given to that. So this was generally my way of analysis. I'll come to the findings very quickly now so that we have some time for discussion. I also actually made a grid on it, which is area of interest grid. And can you see the hotspots? The reds, the oranges are the areas where maximum attention was given. जैसे हमारा वो Terminator देखता है ना, it is just like that.
Yeah.
So, and the bluer it starts to get in the cooler zone, that means those areas were not given attention to. So through this also I came to know that what are the major attention bearers of a particular firm. I also looked at, say for example, आजकल football league के matches भी चल रहे थे. It is very important for the person who actually does the goal. It is his job. But do you think, according to me, it is very important that the person who actually gives the pass just before to the goalie, to the person who's hit it,
Shooting
the
the
central forward. So to me, that guy is even more important than the center forward because
ball.
he's
So that's
giving,
very nice.
yeah. So his giving the pass at the right moment actually creates a goal. So when I looked at the object which got the component of form which got maximum attention, I looked at which was the previous component that actually made this person
Go to that.
throw their gaze to the next one. Okay, give the pass. So can you see this CCH, CCCC, MC kya hai ye? This is my actually written path, GPS path. CC is cowl, H is headlight. So I say दो बार cowl पे fixation, फिर एक headlight, फिर cowl, four fixations on cowl, and then 2 or mud guard. So I created a verbal track to see कि कितनी बार कितनी चीजें अकर हो रही हैं और ये जो give and take हो रहा है ना गेज का, एम से सी पे जाना, सी से एम पे आना, एच पे आना, ये किस हिसाब से हो रहा है. फिर इसको श्रिंक करके देखा गया कि मैक्सिमम गिव एंड टेक किन के बीच में है. And then try to understand that which are those two components which are actually creating this magnetism and which are the components for certain which are losing it. I will explain to you how and why. So can you see number 2 here? This is a smaller picture, sorry. But if you come closer, you can see. In 2, the maximum give and take was between the two headlights. But we found that in between, people lost interest. Why? Because they were set far apart. For a quick to and fro traveling, you need proximity. So we come back to the gestalt over here, and I learned that a few of them are very integrate to any kind of form design, especially when it has inbuilt components in it. Is that in 2, it lost to proximity. In 3, it was maximum because there was a proximal, matlab range ke within ek aur interest zone tha, that was the nose element. It wasn't doing anything, yet it actually retained the entire attention of the eye. And frankly, in this metric, number 4 completely lost. Why? Because again, there is no proximity. They are set, the headlights are set far apart. So going from here to the second one and actually making sense, it would actually repel the gaze away and people would feel disinterested. So there is a very interesting factor within one line for this number 4. It was the first attention grabber since it was atypical. But in the second half, it lost all its attention. It repulsed people because it was kind of not so proximal. It did not have the pre-goalkeeper pass thrower at all. That means there was no proximity also. And so people did get attracted towards it in the first instant, but then lost interest. So this is how I learned that how a visual attention can actually be converted into visual interest, and see that how certain visual decisions can be made, and they could be a prelude to, I cannot say that they liked it. Like is a very subjective word. I'm only looking at visual perception of it. So probably this could trigger or not trigger their liking for this number 4. So these are just a few examples I picked up so that, we could have some discussion around it. So the second question that I asked, which I've included in this one is, so which is the auto that you find most stylish? The same people, the same experiment was run. Second time, I asked a question. Which one do you find stylish? So through this gaze map, I got 2 kind of answers. One is, where do people look when they look for style. To me, they could look at, yeah, windscreen, corners of windscreen, but no, can you see? It is nowhere. So when they look for style, they definitely consider these components such as headlights, any of the placing of logo, the shape of the mudguard, if you can see, or any other design elements. And even the rear is considered, especially in the third one that you see here. So now let's forget whatever I was saying, and you can just look at it for a minute to see, say, for example, the third one. Can you see the green? Number 1. Your gaze is on the right headlight. Then it moves top. Then it comes back. It does not go to the second headlight until it is number 16 or 18. Can you see that? So now another rule of visual perception. Why is this thing done? I thought एक headlight देखिए तो दूसरी पे जाना तो लाजमी है, right? Then why not? So हमारा जो visual processing unit है जो हमारा, वो बहुत ही sharp और smart है. जब उसको समझ में आ गया कि एक हेडलाइट इज इक्वल टू द सेकेंड हेडलाइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ शेप, तो हम उसको तभी देखेंगे जब हमें उसमें से कोई चीज समझ नहीं आई. वरना वी फॉर इन आवर हेड फॉर विजुअल प्रोसेसिंग वी विल कीप फर्स्ट हेडलाइट इज इक्वल टू द सेकेंड एंड वी विल नॉट स्पेंड एनी एक्स्ट्रा टाइम ऑन इट विजुअली बिकॉज वी हैव इंटरप्रेटेड द फर्स्ट वन. You will see that I have also experimented that when I give the entire screen gray, they look at the first top left corner gray and they don't make any other fixation, even if there are some dots, because the mind interprets for them the rest of the thing from the periphery of the vision कि भैया सारा same है, उस पर time spend मत करो. Optimal solutions निकालती है हमारी visual perception. तो वो भी यहाँ है. और ये सब जानना मुझे लगता है एस्थेटिक्स ऑफ फॉर्म के लिए और एक डिजाइनर के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. सो इन विजुअल अटेंशन, ओवर हियर आई एम शोइंग यू द 3 visual gaze path of the same auto, the number 4 auto. But can you see how 3 people look at it very, very differently? Can you see the middle person? He does not go at mudguard at all or wheels at all. So what are these ways that
no, this is the user driver.
Yes. So what? So first one is the designer. So designer knows where my design elements is. Driver, they probably look at which is going to get the maximum roughage. Is that area outside? Will I get many scratches there? Is it changeable? Are there any screws? Probably they look at that. And how the user looked, he's the only guy who's looked at the rear because he's going to sit over there.
Very interesting.
So these are just there to show you, give you a small gist of how efficiently you can use this kind of experimentation with eye tracking to assist our knowledge in visual perception and form. So this is the same person. जब मैंने उसको बोला आप सिर्फ देखिए, तो ड्राइवर का फ्री लुक है. फिर मैंने सेम ड्राइवर को बोला आपको क्या ये स्टाइलिश दिखता है, तो देखिए सेम बंदे की गेज कैसे चेंज हो गई. Can you see this kind of
very interesting, very cohesive way of viewing?
Yes, very interesting. क्योंकि ड्राइवर का स्टाइल का जो मंत्र है वो उसका अपना ही है और उसकी माइंड में हम झांक नहीं सकते. बट ये एक तरीका है जिससे एटलीस्ट एक लेवल पे मुझे वो इवेल्युएट करने के लिए मिल गया. So this is very interesting and you can keep on looking. I'll just keep it half a minute. So greens are the ones which are the first few fixations made. First 4 fixations are green just to locate it. Sometimes we get lost in numbers. So I had programmed this apparatus to give me the first 2, 3 in a different color. So can you see how it starts from somewhere in the middle for the style? But when driver is looking at it freely, he's actually looking at where he would be placed, where he would be sitting.
हाँ, अपना सीट देख रहा था विंडस्क्रीन के पीछे.
और मतलब कुछ भी आप इसमें जितना टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे आपको और डेटा ही मिलेगा. So let's go ahead. And so I also did it at various stages. This was the stage when I did it when this designing was only at the sketching stage. So can you see when I say which makes the maximum impact? Where a person looked, the same person, when I asked the question, do you think there is novelty in the design? Where is this person looking? So that is how we kind
Focus.
of, yeah.
Focus and emphasis.
Yes. So sometimes one comes to know, that is why we also came to know that why a certain companies, when they kind of redesign auto rickshaw, 30-year auto rickshaw, they are not redesigning it entirely. They are saying, "Arey bhai, sirf iska cowl change kar do." But then there is some reason to it. Probably सिर्फ लुक वाइज वो पूरा उनकी डाइज चेंज करना, पूरा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स जो है उसके ऊपर काम करना, सारा सेम पीछे का पीछे, डिजाइन एलिमेंट्स चेंज करो. So introduce the newness as well as a few components which the driver needs, which are the headlights and indicators. Now they definitely need. So some of those. And this is also the point where one can ask oneself that designer हमेशा बोलता है, oh, I have put myself in user's shoes and then I have drawn that. Frankly, you can never do that. ये हमेशा धोखा देगी आपको आपकी perception because you are a learned person. So, but you can match it up to certain extents when you have a novice's gaze path in front of you. Probably also then later question them to understand, दोनों चीजों को आप triangulate कर सकते हैं or to get a better understanding. So this is the final one that I come to. So थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा लेकिन इसको क्विकली समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. On the top is my scale from typical to atypical. हमारा 30 साल पुराना ऑटो टिपिकल पे है और जो हरीश जी को और सबको पसंद आया था, जिसपे वो बैठना पसंद करेंगे, वो सबसे ज्यादा एटिपिकल में रेट हुआ है. नाउ अटेंशन का क्या हाल है यहाँ पे? Did you see number 1 gets second attention? Did you see number 4 drops down to minimum attention? ये देखा आपने कितनी बड़ी शिफ्ट है स्लांट. नंबर 4 जो हाईएस्ट एटिपिकल है वो लोएस्ट अटेंशन पे है. राइट? So these are certain, I mean, for us, these are our life-changing, two methods which are giving you a completely opposite results. So it's really enlightening to analyze these. And we see that number 3 actually gets top attention. Now, so I will just, you can process it in your own time, but now I will just come to the final section. The final finding is number 3 is the winner here. Why? 3 is almost as close to atypical. I showed you that it was top of atypical. Atypical का भाई है. दूसरा, आपने देखा maximum attention का hero है. Top maximum attention. तीसरा, it is closest visually to the most typical. अब आपको समझ में आया माया? Most advanced yet accepting. मतलब नंबर 4 को टच कर रहा था atypicality पे, फ्यूचरिस्टिक डिजाइन पे, लेकिन लुक वाइज थोड़ा एम्बाइब कर रहा था वो मोस्ट टिपिकल ऑटो को भी. सो दिस इज व्हाट पब्लिक इज रेडी फॉर. देयर परसेप्शन इज रेडी टू एम्ब्रेस. फ्यूचरिस्टिक एटिपिकल देखने को बहुत जूम ले जाता है, बट एक्चुअली व्हेन इट कम्स टू अटेंशन इट डज ड्रॉप डाउन. So I could actually then point out why there is lesser attention. I could point out why it has dropped down so much, at which point it happened, which is that one component जिसकी वजह से number 3 ऊपर चला गया. So, these are objectively, I feel very, very useful and very, very enlightening information. So can you see this now? So 3 is kind of the best cusp between the most atypical and typical. Now we will see what are their similarities. Can you see the cowl of both 1 and 3? So it has an added element. Even if it is doing nothing, it is giving it form and aesthetically similar to the one which is actually kind of engraved in our minds, being the most typical. So it gives probably familiarity is some kind of a visual comfort that one is looking for. One never deviates too much from familiar forms. So I am going here towards cognitive, where whenever I go, I stop myself first because over here I am researching my perception. So whatever this reason is, I did find it objectively that, there is a difference and there is a starking similarity. Also is, can you see that the forms are more organic? So this was one time where I actually interviewed a cognitive expert also, and he said that, you know, sharper objects or sharper feature in any ways take our first attention. But as human beings, as how we have evolved from the Stone Age era, we have a certain kind of inhibition to embrace and to imbibe sharpness in something, as in aesthetics. So these are the visual differences between these three cowls. And now we see where they stand in terms of the most looked, the most mundane design and the most atypical futuristic design, and where they stand when it comes to visual response, visual attention. So
Fourth and third. Fourth and third.
fourth stands last, ma'am.
I prefer third.
Third stands first. Maximum attention, and it is actually, so that this one and the fourth one had a tie for typical. So in my statistical research, I did not find the significant difference between atypicality of 3 and 4. So both were rendered the most atypical. That was what I showed you. 3 and 4 were considered the most
Atypical from a survey. Yeah.
from the survey. That is how I built the scale. And then that scale is compared to the maximum and minimum attention scale.
From the
So the maximum attention, the 3-1 gets. 4-1 drops down to minimum attention. So kind of 2 is kind, yeah. So can you see, but 1 is also very interesting. Can you see that how many pieces it took?
yeah.
But the thing is over here is probably 1 is already
The
seen.
old one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we kept it as a comparative scale somewhere. That was why we are looking at it more. Probably not because of it being stylish.
And number 2 was, like behind the, like style, like it is look dated
It
and
was
put.
way behind. It neither had proximity. It wasn't even competing with the typical one. So 2-1 was one of the kind of most redundant, and I do not want to use the word fail here, but the most less appreciated design, or the one which did not have a perception that actually went in favor of its design. So there's something highly lacking in that design. So this is just a small teaser over here that we looked at visual strategy. I will only point one thing here. Can you see the first 3, PD, AD, DR? PD is the product designer. Let me just make sense of it in a one sentence. So this is strategy क्या है? Focal है, छोटा छोटा focal. Focal मतलब big fixations, very few places. या global है, spread out fixations. I will not go into details, but over here, there was a high similarity between how automobile driver, the auto driver strategy completely matched to a product designer and automobile driver to the T. So that was an eye opener that this being a lay person, his visual strategy completely matched with both the designer groups. These 5 drivers, 5 of product designers and 5 of automobile designer. Only one person, one category that stood out was passengers. They completely had a different strategy to look at. But these 3 people made one group, and the driver comes in that group. So that means when you have 2 kinds of consumer segments, you definitely, while designing, need to have the driver beside you. You cannot ignore. It will be one of the boons to your designs. And probably, I mean, when they say include the user, probably not the passenger, you might include the driver. So very interesting. That's why I just put it. And I'll just brush past that. this is just visually that how step by step I actually designed my experiment. Included 2 or 3 kind of methods and kind of, try to create sense of each. And these are just some of our, initial experimentation. We went to Mr. Tata. So can I have the charger, please? Yeah. Once, when I was doing it on automobiles, I also went to Mr. Tata and actually made him look at his own Nano with 3-4 questions. So
We got the wonderful.
we even asked him, first question, look at it freely. Second, do you think it's value for money? Third, do you find it stylish? And all those. So, I mean, that was the time because we were looking at many automobile industries for our case studies and everything. So you can see Professor Chakravarti there.
Yeah. And what's interesting is when in the free viewing, he was concerned about stability. They were tire bhi dekh rahe the. Ratan Tata was watching tire and watching the front. Because front was, he put a lot of effort on making that compact and all. So he was watching the bonnet and the front area. And when Sushmita asked, is it spacious? So he looked at all the glass areas, the A pillar in the car, they call the first one the A pillar. It was very eye-opening for us. And in fact, like Ratan Tata watching his own production. And
but he was very right. And initially only he said, why should I look at it? And another thing is mine will be biased. My visual gaze will be biased because for years I have just looked and looked and looked at it.
Very true.
You got to. We
want to use this, as a sort of activity. Yeah.
So we were also learning from here and or from sometimes from classroom, sometimes from industry. Whoever opened the door for us, some did not. They had very strong gate keepers also, and we were like kind of gate crashers. But eventually the study came around, and these were our findings. And I still call it work in progress. That's it.